Okay, sige. Yan ay score. Naghahalin-hinan sila sa pagpapanalo ng mga set. Okay, Army against Sandugo Sandals, San Sebastian. Glad you're with us. I'm Sarmenta and Mosi Ravena here for the Shakey's V-League on Active. Boy, we've got this is if there was an all-star game. Kulang na lang dito.
This is the closest from your talagang wish for so many years now, Seb.
This kulang dito would be probably to me, Charo Sorian.
Yun.
The very happily married already Pati Takanas and but a few more players would complete the star lineup. But this is good enough. Okay. Anong ginawang tama ng Army in the second set that gave them the win of that set?
Well, they had more attacks, yung Philippine Army. So, nahirapan sa first ball yung Sandugo. First balls nila. So,
like this one, huh?
Yes. And so, even if you have Taiwan, you have Zheng Boli, pero pag hindi mo maisi-set up yung bola na yan, paano rin sila papalo? So, they don't get the sets that they want.
You know who I miss suddenly? Ging Balse.
Oh, na yung kahit anong iset mo.
She would have loved playing in this one. Yep. Nice punching at the net.
Well, of course, Ging Balse recovering from an ACL injury.
Which compounded her. She really wanted to play in that first conference to help UST, but boy, it really aggravated it, I think.
Very much so.
3-0 here. 3-zip, 3-love. Fun Family Pizza gotta be Shakey's. Actually, hindi tumatanda ito si Michelle.
silang magkapatid eh.
No? Parang unfair ang buhay.
Fair talaga. And still playing at this level.
Drop. Salak.
Tina Salak with all the familiar stab from the service line.
I can't help this, Yung cheer ng Army pagkatapos point, sophisticated na. May teamwork na sila. Salak. Roses. Good back row play. Benting wallops it. Salak. Carolino. Hello.
Just smart. Pushing that, swiping that ball where nobody was there. Alam mo, malapit na nga sa net yung pagkakaset ni Tina eh. Pero iniiwas doon sa mga malalaking ale. Well, Angela Benting was there but late na hindi na nakapag-set up si Michelle. So, all she needed was that push.
Sandogo with an energy problem at this juncture. Salak just doing a good job of going to the right customers. However, there's a fourth touch.
Michelle wanting to duplicate what she did a while ago. This time, error on that attack.
You gotta credit Salak though on that point because she did give it back to Carolina. Sige, isa pa. Wow, good combination. Bunag trying to fire from the unsuspecting end. Salak recycles. Carolina rejected. One push up and it's playable.
Masyado kasi siyang pasok. So she thought it was going out already. Pero hindi. It caught the line and Zheng Boli gets that point.
You know what I love about these women? Age, maturity, they have. Pero pagka nawala yung point, yung sipang parang high school, nandun pa rin. Wali. Carolino again. Michelle is rejected. Recycled and fired upon by Bunag. Set at the middle. Taiwan!
Look at Taiwan. Soft touch. Alam niya isa lang si Bunag. And halos one hand lang ang nag-protect kay Bunag ang going up for that block. Oh!
Tina Salak telling her coach, that was my fault. Very few players will do that.
Habol. Walang umuha dun sa balik ng bola sa atin. Lahat tayo, naghihintay lang ng... Ayan. Ganun yung pwesto ni Maria. Pwede mo na pabili para mabilis. Pagpapayin mo kasi ito, wala na eh. Doon daan din ang punta ng bola. Dito mo sa rin. Sabihin mo, doon lang naman ang makapwede yan. Palabas mo na si Joan.
Okay po. Hey! Hey! Army!
FEU has a new campus in Makati. Those are the courses you can consider to get that business education right in the middle and the heart of the business district. Check out the number to call and the website. 5-4, close here in the third set. I like that motion of Salak when she said to the coach, just my...
Yes.
I love that piece of admission. Salak, just a foot away.
Well, of course, Tina will dictate kung kanino niya ibibigay yung bola. And you don't give it to a spiker na nasa harap niya si Utaywan. Diba?
Good point.
Kaya sabi niya, kaya sabi niya, my fault.
I like the fact that they're going to Michelle Carolinos, who's currently on a hot streak.
Combination play, Michelle Carolino getting that through. Well, Tina Salak now 12 excellent sets. Di Makulangan with 12 also. De Leon with 10. Oh!
I don't want to say it anymore. Just watch. Enjoy. Malakas talaga pumalo si Boali, but that ricocheted against Benting and she was unable to get it up. Watch this.
Look at Michelle. Mayet Carolino. Yonko go up for that one.
Bunag from way back at Harrison Pasa. Benting. Wali!
If you give her that chance, she will go for the kill. And
remember
look
how
at this one.
Remember in our younger days when we would call it tusok?
Tusok na tusok.
She just found that gaping part of the defense and just filled it up.
Just too near the net. Si Utaywan, tumingin na lang eh. Sige na, Jay, ikaw na bahala dyan.
You know what? Look at that. Army has got to get this rotation swinging around to get Utaywan away from the front line. Nice drop. Wali. I want to win for Coach Raja. That's her mission. Back in a moment.